Hello everyone. Okay, today we are going to try to calculate the geomean of JB Hi-Fi stock. Okay, let's say this is the JB Hi-Fi return. Yeah, this is not real data, but yeah, this is just an example. Okay, let's say that we have the annual return of JB Hi-Fi since 1980 until 2024, let's say. Okay, in here, we want to know what is the annual return by geometric mean of this investment for the whole more than 30 years, yeah, I guess. Okay, about 35 years, I guess. Okay, let's just get on to it. Okay, first thing first, you have to remember that this data should be in percent, yeah. It should be 0.26 instead of 26.5. That's why you have to divide it with 100. Okay. So in here, in column C, I will add the principal. Okay, I'll do it slower. Okay, first, return. Let's calculate only the return first. Okay, so this should be uh, divided by 100. Okay, okay, after I copy all the way down. Okay, now this is the other column is principal plus return. So in here, you just need to add 1 to this because basically principal is 100% and the return is, yeah, let's say 26.5. So this is it. We copy it all the way down. Okay, from here, we know that this is the principal plus return for each year since 1990 until 1924. Now we want to go down to the last row. To do so, we just press uh, cursor down, control down, like this. So we are now in the very last row. Now we want to know what is the accumulative of the return for the whole 30 something year, yeah, 30 plus years. Okay. Usually, if you want to know that, you use sum, yeah, if you want to add, but this time, because we are going to multiply each row, we are going to use the product formula. Product, okay, and then we block it. Okay, now we know that the return is 34 times since our first investment. Let's say if we invest $1,000 at the end of our investment, it become 34 times, which is $34,000. Okay. I will change it to percentage. Yeah. Okay. So yeah, so this is the return. Yeah. So yeah, quite good. I would say. Okay. Now we want to know is multi multiplying our investment 34 times within 30 something years is a good thing. Okay, we want to know the geomean. Okay, so now we already know the sum product of this. Okay, as you can see in here, what we already calculate is the one that inside the square bracket. This is 34 times. Now we want to know per year on average or in geomean, how many percent that we get every year. Okay, so for that, yeah, we go to the return, yeah, and then you power it to 1 per n. In here, because there is so many rows, I don't want to, yeah, I just want to be lazy a little bit. So I just want to use the count formula. So in here, I will use count to know how many years are there. So just click to the very first row and then Control Shift down and then close bracket. Okay, I forgot that I should add another close bracket, but the Microsoft Excel helped me for this. So in here, we know that the return is actually 11%, yeah, 11% per year. Okay, or yeah, 10.6 to be exact. And in here, since we want to know the exact return, we subtract it again by 1. So every year we will get almost 11%, yeah, per year. So in that we can multiply our money 34 times within how many years is this? Let me block from 1990 to 2004. It is 35 years. Okay, so you get 10%. Okay, this is the first way. If you do it manually, why I show you the manual way? Because I want you to know how to calculate it manually before we go to the Excel formula. Okay, now in Excel formula, we can use Geomean. Okay, so you can use directly the column D, yeah, in here. For example, like this. Please don't forget to exclude the last row, okay, because it is the total return. Okay, in that, uh, let me just enter it first before subtract it with 100%. So the return would be same, yeah, 100%, 110%, and then we subtract it with 1. Okay, so this is the return for this year, yeah, for yeah every year for 35 years. Now, how about yeah, if you are want to make it quicker, yeah, yeah, there is a lazy way, but if you are lazy, then you must be smarter, yeah. You must be a smarter person. So in here, you can use geomean. And then, yeah, let's say we didn't make the column C and D. We will be just using this. Okay, remember, you have to divide it with 100 first, yeah, because this is still percent. Yeah, this is still like integer, yeah, like large number. Yeah. You have to divide it with 100%. And afterward, don't forget to subtract it with 1. Oh, okay, add it with 1, the principal. Okay. And then after that, we will subtract it with 1. At first, I will not subtract it with 1 first, just to check. Okay, probably. Okay, what's wrong with this? Okay, in here, yeah, I should divide it with 100, yeah, like this, and then subtract with 1. Okay, wait. Okay. Oh, no, subtract it. It should be addition. Add it with 1. Okay, so this is the number, yeah, should be correct. And then don't forget to subtract it with 1. So the return would be 10, same, yeah, 10.67. Okay, I'll put the formula in here. Okay, I'll move this one up. And here I'll also put the formula. So this is how you do it. There is three ways to do it. I hope this video helped. Okay, thanks for your time. See you again next time.